Good day all, welcome to Obed Farm. Well, it's been quite a while, but I've been quite busy. The festive season is always busy for me. There'll be things that I'll be doing, so I never really have much time to do what I would like to do and do more of these videos, because I was supposed to give you the November update and what we've done and a bit about what we're going to be doing for December. But for those who are new, please like and subscribe to the channel and follow so that I can give you more content. But there is quite a few things that I would just like to share that we have been doing on the farm. First and foremost, it's the rainy season. This year the rainy season seems to be way much better. It is not raining heavy every day, and at least those days when it does rain, there is quite a substantial amount of rain that falls. So I believe that this year will be it's actually good for the maize. That is for the maize production. So what have I done? I still not yet finished the borehole. The well has been dug. We still have not yet put a pump. We still have not yet put solar. So that is a thing on its own that is still outstanding. The water levels we have not yet actually checked, but it's something that we will do sooner or later as we go along. So for the borehole, there's nothing really that we have done. The next thing that we then did was I promised that on the side where the lemons are and the nectarines are, that line there, I was going to put a fence. So currently we have fenced off this section. Still an ongoing project. We have gone up to somewhere around here. So this is supposed to go all the way to the other side up till that gate that you can see over there. That is where the fence is supposed to go. But the fence is there. It's just a matter of us just doing it. So this has been something that I wanted to do so that this section becomes the section I concentrate on when it comes to events that I want to do. So this small area will be where I want to do the horticulture using that borehole. If we see that there's a lot of water, then we'll add. But I believe that this section is a good section that is good enough for this horticultural project that I want to start. When will I start it? Most likely in February. Once the rains have actually gone down, that's when I will start doing that. As always, then we go. As you can see, we have got maize that is here that we are in the process of growing, and which we planted. So this, with the way the pattern is going and the rain pattern is going this year, I believe that it will be a good harvest. From so far, I can actually testify that I feel that this year we have got better rains than usual, because normally it would be raining one day and then we'll go for a solid 1 week with no water, but this time every 2 to 3 days it is raining. So that is quite a good sign on that. So we have put maize here. We are growing maize that you can see. This is as usual, as I said, this is for green maize on the farm, and that is what we will be eating come January, February. That is what we will be harvesting for our maize. So there is maize that has been planted at the other side which has not been cleared, but I believe that I asked them to use some chemicals, but I think they're afraid to use those chemicals. So I will see what we can do to get this side of the other side of the maize looking clear as this part. But there is also a part whereby you need to use chemicals, or else it becomes very expensive all the time using manual labor. But that's something that other people probably don't like using. But the cattle are doing well, besides me losing my bull. As I said, this year there's nothing that we're expecting to calve anymore this year. It is now all about next year. Next year is what we will be looking at. Then we go to our broiler chickens. We have got 2 batches. I've got one batch here of 100, and then I've got another batch of 50 at home. So all together right now we've got about 150 that we are taking care of broiler chickens that we are doing very well with at the present moment. Then week 2, these ones will come out in January. So Christmas we have got chickens, but we do not, we have the ones that we have will be sold, and then but for January we will be one of the few people who will have chickens for the month of January. So that is where we are when it comes to the chickens for the broilers. That is where our project is at the present moment about the broilers. Then we come to the heritage chickens. The heritage chickens, the ones that are laying, keep on laying. We have got some here at the farm which we are growing out to becoming the next breeding stock. We have got chicks. For those who want to chicks, please contact me. I've got chicks available. I try to, as much as possible, to actually go as far as possible to get them to those people who are very far from where I am, but we make a plan for them to be transported. And so the chicks are there. We are doing well. The number of eggs that it's laying every day, we are happy with the figures that we were expecting. But very soon, I think I will be, by the time we get into about March, April, I will probably just be doing Brahman, the dark Brahman, the dark Brahman, the Sussex Brahma. I'll be just doing those three breeds only. I would get the other ones I think I'll be moving away from, and the golden Orpingtons, that I think I'll be keeping. So that is where we are with the roadrunners. The pig, one of the male pig died, so now we've got one female pig that's that side. It ate the wall, and then it got infested in the stomach, so that is how it died. So the one that is there, the last pig that is there, I'm actually fattening it, and once I fattened it, it is going to be slaughtered, and then I'll have no pigs here. But I will have no pigs, but probably around January, February, I will then get a new batch of small little wieners, and then I'll start again. I do believe that pigs are just important to have on the farm. I don't know why, but I just believe that they should be there. And because I've been doing it for quite a long time, I believe that I should just have pigs here. That is, I think, most of the things that we have done, and we have updated. The rabbits, I have not spoken much about the rabbits. The rabbits, I had actually stopped mating any of the rabbits. I'd got so many, but I'd managed to get rid of all the wieners. I've got about five which are left, so those are the ones that are left, but I've got a lot of rabbits. So now I was in the process of trying to think that I want to downgrade the numbers that I have at home, and then I've brought some cages here to the farm so that we can start here at the farm and start seeing if we can do production here at the farm. Because I said that I wanted to learn. I think I've learned. Now I think I will just want to pass it down to the farm and see what happens here at the farm. Will it work out or won't it work out? So that is a trial and error that I will be doing here at the farm for the rabbits. Well, I think that is really the major things that we can talk about here at the farm, and the things that we are doing, and how best we've been doing it for the past few months. I know I've not been giving out as much content as you would like me to, but I believe that I'd rather give you more information at once than just to keep on giving you the same information which you guys will automatically just get bored with. But to those that are new, please subscribe, watch the previous videos, look at everything that we're doing here. We are also a learning farm. We're a place whereby we're saying to ourselves, we are learning as we go along with this farming journey. This journey has not been easy, it's not been that simple, but we have been learning as we have been going along. Well, to everyone, thank you very much, and let me say happy Christmas and a happy New Year. If I do not make a video before then, so that you guys enjoy this festive season, please take care, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you and have a good day.